Good day to everyone, to all of you who are watching. This time of year, I would like to greet everyone Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year 2022. We're going for 2023 and hopefully all goes well in that year. So, my unboxing for today is recently what I'm obsessed about, which is a ZIPPO lighter. This came with a box. Muna siyang box mga lollipops. I bought, actually my wife bought this for me for a gift for Christmas. I really wanted one, so yes, I bought one. So out of the box, right there, muna siya. This cost around 1,900 pesos. For some it is much, but since you'll be purchasing a very iconic lighter, so the price would siguro justify that kind of price. I don't know, but this is a gift from me from my wife for this Christmas, for being good this year. So I chose the orange color because I tend to lose my things, even small stuff. So I'd like something that illuminates or siguro kanang much more lighter para makita gidayon ako. And then with that, I also bought the ZIPPO lighter. It's a premium lighter fluid. It cost around 240 for the 125 ml. I think that the bigger version of this one is around 320 plus. That gives you around 200 ml, I guess. So I just bought the lighter one. If I would suggest you may also buy the flint also, just in case a reserve. So this is the ZIPPO lighter. So I'll try to I've searched sa YouTube and I found out that there are ways that you can save ng lighter fluid. It's because of the design. I don't know, maybe it's a design of the ZIPPO, or maybe it's just the composition of the lighter fluid. They easily evaporate if you don't use it. So sayang naman, you have ZIPPO and then you will run out of fluid. So from time to time, they will suggest that you religiously put a top up, or dugangan mo siya of fluid from time to time. You would add fluid from time to time. So let's see. I'm gonna try to imitate what I've seen in sa YouTube. In the box, yeah, right there. The ZIPPO suggests that you would orient this wick into an S pattern. So that's what I'm going to do, and just gonna adjust the wick a little bit halfway through and the chimney. That's it. If you would notice, if you would buy the first time, the wick is a combination of cotton and copper. So I'm just gonna pack it. I don't know if I'm really doing it right. So I just packed the last cotton, I guess. Yes. So for it to sit flush, I guess so that's it. Put it there. Put it there first para hindi masyadong maaksaya yung ano nyo, yung lighter fluid nyo. And then what we're going to do is we're going to return the flint first. Just put it right back there. Okay, and then put this back. Okay, and then screw it. Please do be careful because mayroon kasi siyang tension, and then once you prematurely release it na hindi pa siya nakalock, siguro it would really pop. Baka tatama sa mata niyo or anything, or worse, mawala. And so just have to tighten it, but not too crazy tight, just enough. Get the lighter fluid. Yeah, lift this part. Others would put the spout here inside, but it says there in the instruction, lift to fill. So yes, so as a rule of thumb, you count up to 5 seconds, and then fill it up again in 5 seconds. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait for it. Wait for it to sink in, and then apply again another 5 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, and then turn it back. Then since you have to approximate the flint, I would suggest that counter that. Ooh, works perfectly just fine, meaning you've done it right. Okay, so again, I'm really proud and I'm really happy with the gift my wife gave me. Thanks to my wife. Okay, thank you very much for watching my short video about my ZIPPO and how I'm obsessed with this one. By the way, there are a lot of advantages and also disadvantages in using or purchasing this kind of lighters. Obvious disadvantage would be it's really expensive for the normal use or for its purpose, like lighting a fire. But the advantage would be, well, they say in the website it's windproof, it's easy to light, It is also a one-hand operation. Okay, and well, it's very reliable for the most part for its intended use in lighting a fire, and you can have a sense of pride in owning one because it has it's a very iconic design. Like the Zippo has a very iconic design. And by the way, one thing you'll notice also that Zippo has this 5 barrel hinge, if I'm not mistaken, 5 barrel hinge. They also have the Zippo logo at the bottom and rounded design, rounded top corners, and flat bottom. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching my review on the Zippo.